Alright, just sitting here waiting for class to start, which starts at 4:30. I'm taking 4 accounting classes this semester, so it's going to be intense, but I plan to try to get all A's. That's the plan. I need to rewrite my schedule because it has some big gaps in it for the weekend, and I want to make sure that I'm scheduling enough time to study. But anyways, just giving an update on what's going on today, January 22nd, 2018. Hey. Good morning, YouTube. To continue off of January 22nd, today is January 25th, Friday. Finished my whole first week of school, and I'm a little tired. And I've also been trying this keto diet, which I'm kind of bad at dieting, but I'm not going to give up. I had some beans and some croutons and a breaded chicken patty. But I didn't have a lot, like big portions of it. I normally don't anyways. I usually eat small portions, but I had even smaller portions of the croutons and the beans and stuff. So I think I'm well on my way of trying to accomplish this diet, but I don't know how long it's gonna last because honestly I have a fast metabolism. I've been really thin my whole life, so I don't need to lose weight, but I am trying to gain muscle, so I probably will limit the carbs when I do start eating bread and pasta and rice again, but I probably won't completely cut it out because I feel like my body needs it in order to have some energy, because I'm very active on a daily basis. But anyways, as far as my business goes, I haven't been able to do much business. I've only been focusing on school right now this first week, but I do plan on doing more about the business this weekend. I have to go sourcing on Sunday. I have a living room full of unlisted inventory, and so once I get all of that done, then business will be kind of back to where it was. So we'll see how everything goes. I'll keep you all posted. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below, like, and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.